Ikaw at ako ay mga mandirigma. Ikaw at ako lalaban sa ngalan ng pag-ibig at kapayapaan. Gapang matapos umahon sapagkat dapat uurong sa gera ng buhay. Isa kong sundalo, kawal ng bathala, mabuhay mamatay, ito ang magpapatunay sa pag-ibig ko sa buhay.
Okay, taxis, gentlemen and ladies.
We will make sure that the basic fundamentals of training pertaining to internal security operations will be done here at Nerva. I want to make this pace of your training will be meaningful and educational. That's why, as part of our mandate, we have coordinated, and luckily that we have some of the SME coming from the Special Action Force. No, bumiyahe pa sila dito just for you to lend their expertise, no, pertaining to internal security operations. At the same time, with the help of our neighbors, no, coming from the Regional Mobile Force Battalion, they are also here. So dalawang expert coming from two different units are here just to teach you. You learn your lesson. Kayo rin, kung ano yung tinuturo sa inyo ng mga subject matter expert natin dito, yung mga instructor, you learn it by heart. So again, Malagsik, you think positive. You think positive that this training is para sa inyo. This is ang buhay ng pulis. Ito ang pinili nyo. Sisiguruhin natin maganda yung inyong foundations in terms of this. Again, good morning to everyone. Message.
Lalaban sa ngalan ng pag-ibig at kapayapaan.